Please, we will again start with your introduction. So, can you please tell us your brief introduction?
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Neha Kumari. I am the student for RE classes and I did in class 10th. My father's name is Mr. Pramod Kumar Chaudhary. He is a businessman and my mother's name is Mrs. Kavita Devi. She is a simple housewife.
Okay, so now that's really good. Okay, your father's name and your mother's name. And what did you say? What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Okay, so you can just sit like this, okay, and look at the camera. Okay, now, so you are in class 10th, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and Science.
So when you have two favorite subjects, you must say my favorite subjects are. My favorite subjects are
English and Science.
English and Science. Okay. So why do you think English is your favorite subject and
Because English is not hard.
not hard?
English is very easy.
Okay. For you?
Yes.
Okay. But for other people, I know this. But for other people who does not know English, it is very hard for them. Okay. And why science is your favorite subject? Continue. Maybe you may be enjoying this subject, studying this subject. Okay. So which branch of science? Like it has got three, right?
Yes.
Physics, chemistry, and bio. Which one of them is your favorite subject?
Bio.
Bio. Okay. Well, let's look. You have to make full sentence. If you have to say bio, so don't just say bio. Make full sentence that among all of them, मतलब इन सभी के बीच में मेरा जो है ना कौन सा फेवरेट है? Bio is my favorite subject. So you can make full sentence, right? Okay. So can you tell us your what did you do yesterday? तुमने कल क्या किया? Because आज का दिन तो शुरू ही हुआ है. ओए, shut up. आज का दिन तो शुरू ही हुआ है. Okay.
शुरू से बता.
Yes. About your yesterday.
In the first, I got up early in the morning. After that, I got fresh and I went to tuition and I studied in tuition.
Little louder.
I studied in tuition.
And what did you study yesterday?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. You know Hindi?
Yes.
Everybody knows Hindi. Okay. Continue, please.
And I came to home.
Okay. Little louder. Little
I
louder.
came to home and I went to school. And
You go to school daily.
no.
Okay.
And I study and played in school.
Played?
Yes,
In school?
played in
You
school.
studied and played in school. So what
And-
game did you play? It has got a name?
No, I do not play.
You didn't play.
Yes, I did not play. And many children
Little louder, please.
many children played like Risu.
Oh. And what did he play? Which game? Sorry?
Cycling.
Cycling. Okay. Good.
And
And then what did you do?
and I went to home. After that, I ate lunch
And what did you eat in lunch? I must say for lunch. What did you eat for lunch?
rice, pulse, and vegetable and bhujia.
Bhujia. Okay. Potato fry?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, French? No, it's not French fry. We call it potato fries, है ना? भुजिया वाला. ठीक है. Okay. आलू का भुजिया खाई?
हाँ.
Okay. ठीक है. So do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Make full sentence.
Yes, I know how to cook food.
So how many dishes can you cook? You can say I can cook this, and blah blah, lot of things. Okay, tell me. Rampam?
And yes,
Okay, and then?
rampam and rice,
Okay.
pulse and yeah.
Tea is very easy.
Yes. And roti.
Roti. You know how to roll the roti and how to
Yes.
bake it? You know it?
Yes.
Wow, good girl.
Yes.
She doesn't know.
Circle.
Yeah, I can also make a perfect circle. You cannot compete with me. I'm the best of it. I'm baking, baking what? Chapati and rolling it. It's my not favorite job, but I was so good at it. I used to do this. I'm still. Okay. I can bet you. Will you feed me rampam? I'll show you. All right. So yes,
And vegetable.
we call it vegetable. Okay. You know how to cook vegetable.
Yes.
Okay. So now continue, please. Your daily. I mean, yesterday routine, or maybe about your study.
I went to tuition. And I
Again.
Yes.
Okay.
I studied in tuition.
What did you study?
Topic
What topic?
used to.
Oh, you come here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. You came here. Yes.
And I went to another tuition.
Another. Yes.
I studied in tuition maths.
Maths. Which topic? Yeah. Okay.
टॉपिक पढ़ा ही नहीं हुआ था.
So what did you study in maths?
Only one question
Louder.
Question solved by sir.
Okay. Okay. So homework.
Yes, and
He did some homeworks.
Yes.
Okay, that he had given to you all. Okay.
and he asked many formula in
Formulas. Maths. Did you answer?
maths. No, हम सब
होगा भी तुमसे कभी कभी. Anyway, yes.
a+b का होल स्क्वायर हमसे नहीं पूछे लगे ना.
Okay.
किसी और से. और and divide also.
Divide.
Yes.
Revise.
Divide.
Division. Oh, so pathetic.
Yes.
So do they not know this? How to divide?
Yes. Seven boys don't know.
Didn't know.
Didn't know.
Okay. Good.
And 3 girls.
Okay. So now what did you do next? फिर आगे क्या किया?
I came to my home. And
I went. यहाँ से बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे I went back to my home.
I went to back my home. And I ate snacks. बस वो मुझे पूछे क्या खाए.
What did you eat? हाँ? Manchurian, momos.
No. I ate snacks.
What snack? Snake.
No.
Okay.
क्या समोसा.
Okay. So it took you so long to think about a samosa. Okay. Just samosa or also chutney with samosa.
Yes.
Okay. Which one? तीखा वाला कि मीठा वाला?
दोनों. Both.
Okay. तो तुमको तो तीखा वाला खाना चाहिए ना. There is a girl, you know who? It's a lot of तीखा. अगर रंपम हॉट स्पाइस में खाएगा ना उसमें 1 चम्मच बुकनी डाल देगी. हमको ला के दे दी. Okay. Yes, please.
And you came my home. And I studied. And
you're forgetting one thing, and I won a game, Jolly.
Yes.
And you were just cheating.
No.
Yes. No, I mean also no, I mean I showed her, okay, the mark, but she didn't show me the mark, and her mark was so faded, but still she denied. Okay, and now my mark is still here. Okay, she also confirmed this. No, now I am 1 point ahead. Okay, I'm still down to 1, है ना? अभी भी एक है, I know. Okay, so now what did you do next?
And I studied in tuition.
Okay, what's there? Why are you looking there? I mean, what do you look at?
I studied in home tuition.
Okay.
I
wrote
all topics in English.
Okay.
And you asked me
some questions. Translation maybe.
Yes.
Also, Sagun asked you something.
Yes, Sagun is also asked me.
Okay. And then
you went to my home.
From my
home. Okay. And I went to my shop. And few minutes I
stayed there.
I stayed
for few
there.
Minutes.
I stayed there. And I went to my home and I studied few hours.
Okay.
And I ate dinner and I played mobile.
Okay, but you didn't practice. Wow. हम तो ये जान रहे हैं practice पर नहीं किया. Did you read 5 pages a day that I always say?
No.
Why?
Because I have no time.
You have
Morning.
You have no time.
Yes.
You have no time. You operate phone, but you have no time. Very good. She used phone, but she has no time. There is a word, है ना, शर्म, shame. So shame on you. Okay. Okay. One thing. Now, last thing. So, do you want very good and fair filter on your video? Just tell me. You want filter?
Yes, I want to filter.
Now you can say thank you.
Thank you.